Hey everyone, before we get started on today's video, if you didn't use a referral code when you signed up to drive for Uber, it is not too late to get a bonus of up to $1,000. You can use my code right now and you could get that bonus. It depends on when you signed up. It could be $500, could be $800, it literally could be $1,200. But you could literally just get that money right in your account just because you did give the rides then, but you didn't use a referral code. So real quick, here's how you do it. First, open your Uber driver app. Next, click the photo or the 3 lines in the corner. Click earnings. Then click help or question mark. Click account and payment. Then referrals. Now this is the most important step. Make sure you don't mess this one up. Click invited driver, report my missing or incorrect referral. Then click send a message. Type in my invite code. It's G4QA5UE. Guess who your friend's name is? Mr. Gregory Wave. That's right, your homie for life. Phone number 815-847-0184. And the email is gregwave@yahoo.com. In the details, just say my good pal Greg referred me to drive for Uber or something like that, and they'll take care of you. So check it out, guys.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. My name is Greg. Not coming to you from a car because I'm not driving right now. I'm not messing around with this whole lockdown thing. And that's actually what I just wanted to talk about today is really why is this hurting Uber drivers like more than almost anyone? Really with what's going on, what you're going to see is a ton of freelance people are going to take like a huge hit from this, more than most people, because we don't, we have no form of like, basically no one's going to pay us to work from home because I can't think straight right now and get the words out. But, there's no demand. I think the only rides people are probably getting right now are, you're going to have a few people who are still going out and doing things crazy. But other than that, you're going to have hospital workers and some of the few places that still have jobs taking rides. But other than that, most people are going to go straight home. The days of people going out and partying and stuff aren't around right now. I'm sure it will be eventually. I'm sure that this is all going to change and everything's going to get back to normal. But as for right now, we're not. We're the ones that are really taking the blunt end of this. Like for me personally, even outside of Uber and Lyft, I run my own online ad agency, so no one's going to be paying me from that. And I do a lot of other freelance stuff. So I have nothing like super secure coming in. Now I was ready for this. I was stockpiling and I had a ton of food saved up, not gonna lie. So I was ready for this. So I'm not personally like stressing, but I know that a lot of people that are like in my scenarios are feeling it. And I know most of you guys are too. So it's really us freelancers. A lot of gig economy workers are really getting nailed by this. For those of you that don't know, you could do some Uber Eats for a while, which I don't know if you guys saw. Uber Eats is the Uber Eats CEO stepped down literally today. Not that that changes anything. I just thought that was interesting. But so some of you guys might want to give some food delivery services a try. I know that's not a preference. I personally always hated those. But, if I was at a time where I was really dependent on ride sharing, I would absolutely be out there doing Uber Eats, Postmates, Grubhub, whatever ones I could, because that's one of the only businesses that's really running right now is food delivery. So definitely look into that if you're at a place where you're really hurting from this. And in all honesty, guys, like my sincerest condolences goes out to all of you because this is a crazy time. This is a nuts time. And, I don't think anyone really saw this coming, and I don't think anyone really, I don't know. I always imagined something like this happening, but I always kind of thought it was another few years out. I never really thought that this was just going to happen and we were all going to be locked down for the most part out of nowhere. And from what I've seen on the news and stuff, it seems like it's only going to get a little bit crazier, you know? So for one, if you guys haven't prepped yet, you know, it's not too late. There's still a lot of stores out. Like, I want to implore that on you guys more than anything. Like, maybe some of you conspiracy people are saying, oh, this is blown way out of proportion. You know what? And maybe you're right. But at the same time, if we're going to be pretty much locked in, you got to be ready for that. So I want to implore you guys, like, go out and get some food, get some stuff, you know, be ready to not be able to work for a little bit, figure out what you got to figure out. Some things that might help you guys, you know, pretty much any rental place is not going to be able to evict you. So if you are in an apartment, like I'm in an apartment, and from what I've heard, like, it won't be, like, it's not like you're going to be getting evicted, you know? So don't stress it. Just know that, you know, we're going to all get through this more than anything. But yeah, some other general advice I just wanted to give you guys was, and I said this in another video I did, but use this time. Like, use this time wisely. You got a lot of time to think about how you want to come out of this, you know, whenever this is done, a month or whatever. You got a lot of time to kind of self-evaluate, to look at your life, to think about maybe some things you want to do, some things that you are passionate about. If you guys have kept up with my videos, you know that I've harped, like, really strongly on, you know, don't be overly committed to ride sharing. You know, find something else to do that you can make money from, because Uber and Lyft won't be around for a while. And I'm honestly starting to wonder, like, what's going to happen after this that might affect Uber and Lyft, because, you know, the economy's taking a big tank from this. And what does that mean for bigger companies like Uber and Lyft that are now going to take massive losses over this month? I mean, you got to think, like, they're losing pretty much all their business. So I would say really use this time. You know, this is a rare time where you've got a few weeks, maybe even more, to just be with your family and your loved ones, to dig deep and do some self-evaluation and think about some things in your life that you want to change, or think about a different job, a different career. You know, the silver lining to this, if there even is one, is that you're going to be able to come out of this time, if you do a lot of prayer, a lot of meditation, or whatever it is that you do, and you're going to be able to really think about, you know, some things you want to do. Because I've said it since day one, you can't be married to Uber and Lyft. They're not going to be around forever. And now we're already seeing how hard it is without it. You know, I've gotten a lot of emails and texts from you guys lately, you know, asking for advice. You know, what do we do? And I'm like, unfortunately, I don't really have all that much I can say, because if you can't go out and give rides, it's not like I can even give you advice on how to make more money. So, but I do hope more than anything you guys know that, you know, like, I'm here for you guys. We're going to all get through this, you know, and the best thing you can do is just know, for one, it might be tough, but we are going to get through this. Next best thing, I think, is to take a lot of this downtime you're going to have, do some self-evaluation. If you've ever wanted to write a book or something, start writing a book. If you wanted to write a Hollywood script, write a script. You know, if you just want to go on YouTube and search all the different ways you can make money, you know, take a few days, do a ton of research, find out about some things you can do. You know, like, I think that's the best thing you can do in this time. So, and start writing an action plan, so that when this is all done, you jump out of this and you've got a plan of action, and you're attacking and you're getting your life going in a different direction. My story essentially with Uber is I used it to try and be an actor, and I still do a lot of acting. Well, not currently, but no sets are filming right now, thank God. But I went from there to starting my own business and exploring all these different passions I have. And I really do owe a lot of that to Uber and Lyft, because there's not many other things I could have done that would have given me the flexibility to pursue anything I wanted. So use this time. Like, that's what I want you guys to do more than anything, is use this time. I want you to be really precautious too, especially if you're, like, around my age, if you're in the millennial group. Like, we can be carriers and not even realize it. So again, going back to, if you're one of those people that thinks it's all a big hoax, hey, I get that. Maybe there's logic there, maybe there's not. But for the sake of other people, be decent. You know, is it really that hard to stay in your home for a few weeks to a month, is it really that difficult? It shouldn't be. It really shouldn't be. So anyways, that's what I got for you guys. The only other things I would say is if you guys haven't tried the referral bonus, this might be a great time to do it, you know, especially because we all might be down on some cash. So it takes a few minutes. You could get, you know, we've had people get up to $700. I can't make any guarantees on what you will or won't get, or if you even will get it. But if you've got all this downtime, take 5 minutes, try out the referral code, and see if you get some money in that'll maybe help you make it through this crazy time we are living in. So that's what I got for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I don't know how much content, you know, we're really going to have rolling out here because there's not all that much I can really say to you guys right now. I'd end up being more like a life coach than anything. Like, I feel like my tendency is to try and just like dive deep and share some good advice, because I can't really give you any advice on Uber and Lyft driving right now. So like I said, guys, be cautious, be careful. Take this time for a lot of self-love and some, you know, reflection on your life. And I think some really cool things can come out of this season of life for all of us. So let's just harness in, bunker down, and be ready for any level of crazy. But in the meantime, guys, feel free to hit me up, to ask me questions. Like, that is one of my favorite things about doing this channel, is just getting to engage and having some of you text me and tell me what cities you're from. And that's really the best part about doing this, more than anything, is the community that comes out of it, you know. And now we're in a time where the only thing that's really going to help all of us get through it is, you know, if we're all banded together. So that's enough for this video, seriously, this time. So like I said, like and subscribe. I will be in touch with you guys soon. And yeah, normally I say kill it out there this week or have a good day, but you can't really drive today. So all right, later, guys.